They're working on the apartment that's right across from mine, and I can literally see into the window. What's up? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be showing you how to do these hairstyles that are kind of like my go-to, that are really easy, but they kind of like really switch up your look, so it gives you a whole new vibe. But before we get into that, I'm very excited because I'm back partnering with Ana Luisa for their Black Friday sale. If you didn't see my last video, I partnered with them, and I can now truly attest to the quality of their jewelry because I've been wearing these pieces that they originally sent me for about a month now. Nothing has tarnished on it. Nothing's been turning green. Everything has held up. The quality is amazing. So just a quick background on Ana Luisa. They are a jewelry company from Brooklyn, New York. A couple cool things about them is that they are carbon neutral, which means they offset their carbon footprint completely from sourcing their raw materials all the way through production, which is amazing for the environment. So I want to show you quickly the pieces that they sent me. So let's start with these earrings because how dope are these? So these are called the boa, obviously, little snakes. And I like how you can kind of push them up your ear and make it look like almost like an ear cuff. Kind of create like a longer earring. Makes it look like you have a couple more pierces, like a third pierce. I don't know, but I just thought they were so cute and different and cool. And then this next pair are called the Elios Sun Huggy earrings. Obviously I'll leave the links in the description of everything below so you guys can see exactly what I got. So I got those two earrings, and then I got this Vita necklace that is super dainty and just beautiful. And then this ring is called the Noah. It's literally one of my favorite pieces that I own to this day, so I highly recommend. And then I'll show you really quickly the other ones I got from them as well. This is the Yusuf chain, and then this is the Joe Gold chain. So if you want to check them out, go look at my other video, the last one I just posted, and I showed the kind of details on these as well. So obviously, I'm a huge Ana Luisa fan now because their pieces are so beautiful. Prices are amazing. They have pieces starting at $39 and going up, so there's something for everyone, whether you're looking for a gift or to treat yourself. A huge thank you again to Ana Luisa. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description box below. Go to the site, check it out, and let's get into these hairstyles. So this first hairstyle is one of my literal favorites. I think that's why I'm starting with it, because this is probably how I wear my hair the most. So again, super easy to do, but the first step is to take whatever side you want this little piece of hair, and obviously you don't have to put a piece of hair down if you don't want to, but honestly that's for me what like makes this look. So I just section off a little, almost like square or rectangle type piece right here in the front. So I just pick how thick or how thin I want it to be, and then just section it off. Like day 4 hair at this point, so I had waved it like 4 days ago, so I don't really know what's going on at this point with the curls, but obviously this piece is kind of nicely curled together. Just gonna put our hair half up, so starting with the fingers, kind of how I start is right along the ear or along the temple. So I just start to drag my fingers along the sides of my head, and then I try to connect them right at like the crown of my head, so like right at that top center part. So that way the ponytail is not so much on top of the head or not so much on the back of the head, but kind of diagonal. I feel like that's what gives you the best angle. Going kind of up in that diagonal, snatch everything back. I like to make sure that the sides are super even, so I'll go back in with like a fine tooth comb and make sure that part that you'll be able to see obviously on the back of your head is super symmetrical, straight, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. Then I'll throw it up into ponytail. And yeah, kind of just pull out the ponytail a little bit. And that is basically as simple as that. You just have your little piece hanging down, and then I like to take a piece of hair to finish it off from the back of the ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail to cover it, or your pony holder. I feel like it just makes it look a little more put together and like finished. You can either secure the hair you're wrapping around with a bobby pin, or I've been using a little clear hair tie lately because I feel like I always have trouble with the bobby pin like coming out. And then so with the clear hair tie, you just kind of wrap it around a couple times so it'll hold that piece of hair down on top of the original hair tie, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna take a little of my Way hairspray, spray up the sides, and then I also really love the Oribe Wave and Shine spray, so I'll spray that on my ends. Okay, so that's hairstyle number 1. Go to number 2. Start, it'll be the same thing. We're gonna section off this side piece, but obviously this time it's going to be a much larger chunk. So section off that chunk. This will be kind of like a wide rectangle going on the complete side of your head, whatever side you choose. But you're just gonna make a really deep side part and kind of section off this rectangle. Kind of start at like the tip of my eyebrow or like the arch of my eyebrow, and that's where I start the side part. Once you get that all sectioned off, go ahead and tie it off, and you're just gonna throw your hair up into a high ponytail. So this time, instead of focusing it more on like the crown, I'm almost gonna put it a little bit more on top. So it's like standing up a little bit, it's having the ponytail up higher, because then it kind of fans out and it'll cover this part behind. So once your hair is up into a pony, you're gonna take the piece that you had tied off and smooth it down. And once it's all smooth, I kind of take the end and start to twist, just so it's kind of like comes together at a point almost behind your ear. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and literally just pin it to the back middle of my head. And then, like I said, with the ponytail nice and high, depending on how long your hair is, maybe make your ponytail a little lower so then it'll cover, if it doesn't cover it with it being this high. But anyway, once you have that pinned off to the side, you can use a mirror behind you to kind of check and make sure you're looking good in the back. But otherwise, you can do the same thing we did with the first hairstyle. Take a little piece of hair from the back of the pony, wrap it around the ponytail to cover it, make it look a little more cleaner. And then I use a clear hair tie to attach that piece of hair. Hairstyle number 2, just different, you know, easy, but switches it up. Okay, hairstyle number 3. This is painfully simple, literally just a bun, but I want to teach you how to kind of keep this front part and not lose it, but still have a high bun. So to start, again, we're gonna section off sort of these front pieces, kind of like 2 triangles will be your best bet. Section one part off on each side. Keep those to the side and then gather your hair up into whatever size bun you want, whether you want it on the top of your head, more in the back, doesn't matter. Throw your hair up into the bun of your preference. And then once your hair is in a bun, you're gonna take one side, smooth it down, making sure to keep that middle part intact, but just to kind of slick it all the way back. You're gonna use a bobby pin to sort of anchor it right at the base of your bun. And a bobby pin works for me here because after you put the bobby pin in, you're gonna take the tail of the section and wrap it around the bun, and it kind of like stays like that. So the bobby pin will hold it down, and then when you wrap it, it won't slide out. So that's why I get away with the bobby pin on this. And then you're just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, kind of slick down that front section until you get to the back of the bun, anchor it where you want it, and then wrap around that section. And then that'll give you a nice, sleek, high bun, but where you keep your part. And yeah, super, super easy. Okay, hello, it is the next day. I have no idea what happened to the outro clip. I'm sitting here editing, and I think I got deleted. So I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much again to Ana Luisa for my amazing pieces. Make sure you guys check out the description box below for the link to get to their Black Friday sale. Otherwise, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.